Okay, so this is the backyard.
Daddy, can you make an orange?
And the orange tree. Yep. And then this goes back to where we were just a moment ago. Out to the street.
See, I told you there's fencing out here.
Yeah. And then that goes into the house. There's Chloe's room.
Oh, yeah. Hug.
And there's the palm tree. Yeah.
And here's an orange.
Where's the orange? Yes. And there is a
Pear-shaped lemon.
lemon. Yeah.
Lemon.
You guys are going to have fresh lemonade.